Today I have a WordPress tutorial for you on WordPress tags and categories. First, I'm going to go ahead and explain the difference, and then I'm going to take you behind the scenes of WordPress and show you exactly how to create and use them. Categories are broad topics or terms that are similar to a table of contents in a book. They help you to organize your blog content, identify what your blog is about, and they help your reader navigate your website. You can also create a hierarchy of categories with a top-level category that has subcategories underneath it. Tags go into more detail about a blog post. Tags are very similar to an index in a book. They go into more detail about a broader topic, which is the category. You cannot create a hierarchy of tags. An example of tags might be keywords that are related to your focus keyword. Let's jump over to WordPress and I'll show you how to create and use categories and tags. Here we are in WordPress, so let's hop over to the categories. Go to Post and then select Categories. I already have a few categories created. Basically, when you create a category, you can just add the category right here under the Add New Category title. Enter the name, enter the slug, which is the URL-friendly version of the name, and I'll show you what that looks like. You can see up in the title bar, it says savvyonlinemarketing.com/category Content Marketing. This part, Content Marketing, is the slug that I was just referring to. Let's go back over to the categories. If this is a subcategory, you would select the parent category under parent. And then you can also put a description in and click on Add New Category. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like by editing one of my categories. The name of my category is Content Marketing, and that's how it's going to appear on my site. And the slug that I already showed you is the URL-friendly version of the name. The other thing that I want to mention is that these are actually keywords. I'm also creating these categories with SEO in mind. This one doesn't have a parent. It is the top level category, and I have a description of my category: Content Marketing Tips and Tricks to Attract an Audience and Drive Profitable Customer Action. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. Back on my category of content marketing page on my website, you can see at the very top of the page the content marketing as well as the description shows up at the top of the page, as well as all the different blog posts that are under that category. Scrolling down the page, we have the category Archive Settings, which is what I just showed you. If you do not want the archive headline or the archive intro text, you can simply leave these blank. And next, I have Theme SEO settings, the custom document title, as well as the meta description and the meta keywords. And then just click on Update once you're finished. Let's go to a blog post, and I'm going to show you exactly how to assign a category. When you write a blog post, on the right-hand side is where you're going to assign your category. I recommend that you assign one category per blog post. That's going to help keep your content very organized. So all you have to do is select a category. Let's move on to tags. I recommend that you add tags as you create your blog posts. Tags provide more detail and focus about a particular topic. On the right-hand side, under the category Pod, you can see tags. You can enter your tags and separate them with commas and then click on Add. If you already have many tags in your WordPress blog, you can click on Choose from the Most Used Tags, and it's going to give you a list of all the most used tags on your blog. So you can see here I've entered conversion optimization tips, conversion rate optimization, and improve your website conversion rate. These are actually related keywords. They're keywords related to the keyword that I am using for my blog post, which is conversion rate optimization. Let's take a look at what that looks like on this particular blog post. Each WordPress theme might be a little bit different, but you can see here at the bottom of my blog post, it tells you exactly what it's tagged with. If you have other blog posts that are tagged with the exact same tag, you simply click on the tag and it'll display a list of all the blog posts that are organized under that tag. That's your tutorial for today about WordPress categories and tags. I recommend that you have about 10 categories and maybe use about 3 to 5 tags per blog post. You don't want to go really tag crazy because that might be a little bit unorganized and confusing for your readers. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial on WordPress tags and categories, I appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe. I post new videos like this every Wednesday to help you be a savvy online marketer. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.